Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage Google Workspace users, whether you're onboarding new team members or managing your organization's accounts. Knowing how to properly set up users in your workspace is essential for smooth operations. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com. In the search bar, type Google Admin Console and click on the first official link that takes you to admin.google.com. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Google Workspace, from users to security settings. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace admin credentials. Make sure you're using an account with admin privileges, as regular users won't have access to these management tools. After signing in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. From here, click on Users. If you don't immediately see this option on your dashboard, simply use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. This section is where you'll manage all current and new users within your organization. Now it's time to add a new user. Look for the plus button, which represents Add New User. You'll find this either at the top of the page or within the Users section itself. Click it to begin the setup process. A form will appear where you'll enter the user's details. Start by typing their first name and last name, then set their primary email address. This will follow the format username at your domain. .com, where your domain is your company's registered domain with Google Workspace. Next, you'll see an option to choose the user's organizational unit. This is helpful if you want to place them in a specific department or group rather than the default location. It helps organize users and apply different policies based on teams or roles. Now set a password for the new user. You can either create your own or use the auto-generated one that Google provides. It's highly recommended to check the box that says Ask for a password change at next sign-in. This ensures the user creates their own secure password once they access the account for the first time. If you want to add an extra layer of security, click on Add Recovery Email or Phone. This provides backup recovery options for the user in case they ever get locked out of their account. It's optional, but it's a smart step for account security. Once you've reviewed all the details and everything looks correct, click Add New User to create the account. Google will generate the account instantly. You'll then have the option to copy the temporary password and account information manually, or you can click Email Sign-in Info to send the login details directly to the user's recovery email or another address you specify. That's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Google Workspace. This process keeps your team connected and ensures everyone has the right access from day one. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.